Hey, Ruckus. Are you ready to go, buddy? Yeah? Hey, get out of there. Hey, come on. Get up. Ruckus. Yeah, that's a great start. Here's your bowl. Easy dog. Let's get this show on the road, shall we, Ruckus? Oh yeah. We are on our way. Ruckus and I are headed to LBJ Grasslands, which is located somewhere in Decatur, Texas. I've never been. A good friend of mine told me that it's a really nice place to visit for hiking and camping, so I'm gonna take your word for it, and hopefully we'll have a good time. You all right back there, Ruckus? I don't know if you can see him, but he is skittish. He's always skittish at the beginning of road trips, so we're gonna see how well this is gonna go. It's not too far. It's about an hour or so from where I live. So let's continue on. You all right there, buddy? It's kind of cloudy, but it shouldn't be raining though. We should have a nice, chilly, gray Texas winter camp. Haven't been to Decatur in a long time. Last time I was there, I did a photo shoot with a friend of mine in the middle of this little tiny pond, or I don't think it was a lake. She goes fishing there all the time. Her husband at the time and I were circling around in a boat, and we got some interesting shots. I kind of like that venue. That was a fun place. Haven't been back since. That was, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago, maybe, yeah, about 5 or 6 years ago. So we'll see what Decatur has for us today. What's the matter, buddy? You ready to be there already? He probably has to go to the bathroom. Me too, buddy, me too. We're almost there. Almost there. We got off the highway and it's pretty much just a dirt road for another, I don't know, mile and a half. I haven't seen any other vehicles, so hopefully this is where I'm supposed to be going. Alright, so apparently I'm totally not even in the right place. I think I am off by a good 15-20 miles, unfortunately. I've looked it up. I kind of have an idea of where I need to go. Unfortunately, I wanted to be at camp by now, but it looks like I'm going to be delayed another probably 40 minutes because it'll take me some time to get out of where I'm at. I think I'm just in like a general hunting ground. I saw a few hunters, and that's about it. There are no camping grounds in this area, so I could probably set up camp, but I think that would be a bad idea. So anyway, well, I think I'm here. I do see campground areas. Yeah, unfortunately I have no internet service where I'm at, as to be expected. So I can't let anybody know where I'm at. So hopefully nothing bad will happen. So, there we go. First thing I'm going to do is set up camp. Actually, I'll probably walk around with Ruckus a bit, because he is losing his mind. I think it's like mid-30s. Somewhere around there. It's not going to get too cold tonight. It'll probably drop down to about 32. Maybe 30. But that'll be just fine. lunch we're having lovely microwavable mac and cheese. It's the kind that you just kind of add water. So I'm just basically dumping it into my little stove. Steaming up. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. She's getting ready. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how this is gonna be. It's nice and steamy. Camp utensil here because we're really roughing it. Oh, that's perfect. I want to try to show it to you, but I don't want the fog, the steam to get to the camera. Look at that. Can you even see that? It's probably a little too hot to eat, but I'm hungry. You want some macaroni and cheese, Ruckus? No? So I forgot to bring something to scrub on my cook pot. So I'm just having to like swirl some water inside of it, and that's doing a pretty decent job. I'm just gonna cook macaroni in it and probably boil some water for coffee maybe later. Actually, coffee sounds really good. I may do that right meow. Yeah. Ruckus, are you passing out? Are you freaking out over there? Oops, wrong way. There we go. What is it, Ruckus? Are you ready to go camping already? You gotta go potty? Do you have to make a whale-sized dumpling? I'm trying to find was it Cottonwood Lake?
Yeah, well, it said it was like 4 miles out.
Okay. We're over in the LBJ Grasslands again. The last time I went out here, things did not go so well. Camera equipment was not cooperating. I'll probably splice this footage in with that camping trip. But Ruckus is freaking out because he wants to go out and pee on everything, because that's what he does. There's lots of nice little houses over here, though. Hopefully the lake won't be too far and we can find a good space to camp, set up camp, and hop around. Oh, hush. Bad. I think this will work. It's kind of right by a road, but there's not that many people driving out here anyway. And I don't see a whole lot of dead wood for fire, but there's some stuff here. Alright, let's let the dog out. Alright, buddy, come on. Go pee and mark everything like you normally would. Don't pee on the stump. No, don't pee there. No. Go somewhere else. Alright, so we've got camp set up. I don't know, it took us like 4 hours. No, not really. There's a little shade tarp right there. Got a fire pit down here. We're gonna gather some wood so we can start cooking because I'm hungry. Here's my tent. And my brother's tent is pretty much exactly the same design. His is just military issue. But we were setting up our tents and we're just like, hey, we have the same shelter, so. Come on, Ruckus, let's go find some firewood. See if we can actually find some. Last time I came camping here, I could not find any firewood to save my life. Nothing usable anyway. Oh, there's some right there too. Just gotta gather it up and have it ready. My lens is dirty. Let's clean that sucker off. That's better. I'm going to use this Instafire fire starter. This stuff is actually pretty awesome. I saw it at Walmart. It's like $1 for this bag. I've used this like I think probably about 4 or 5 times already. Don't need a whole lot. It's very efficient when you just need to get a fire going and not mess around. There we go. So once the fire gets going in there well enough, I can put the pot on there, so we'll boil some water.
Does it have a top? Like a
it does, top? But I have a little grill. I'm going to put it on top to put the pot on. It's got little cross bars or whatever, but and the opening in the front is cool because then you can feed more wood through the opening of the. I'm just putting it to the top because it's faster that way. All right, so today we're getting fancy. Got mac and cheese. Ruckus is all about it.
We're eating pasta today.
Yep. Hope. I guess actually that's big enough to fit on there without a.
Oh, sweet.
Without the grill. And for lunch we got a little sausage action here. It's gonna be tasty. Hopefully it will suffice for our hunger needs. I lost track of time there. My little flame went out, so I stoked it. Hopefully we'll get some boiling water soon. We got our sausages over there heating up. Hopefully that flame will be warm enough to get that taken care of. Ruckus finally quit being annoying. That's right, I'm talking about you. Oh yeah. There's our campsite. This is pretty much what we've got here. Once we're done eating, we'll probably go for a little hike. But I'm hungry, so we're gonna get this water boiling quick. So this little stove worked out really well. I forgot about it at one point and the fire died out, but I just stoked it for a little bit. Water is now boiling. And we are going to pour in our mac and cheese because we are hungry. Mix this up. Hopefully there's plenty. Look at that. Beautiful. Carbs and meat. I like this thing. It's pretty awesome. It's working really well. Ruckus is looking for scraps. There's no scraps. And we totally didn't drop a sausage in the fire. It's alright. Little ash never hurt anybody. This is almost done. I love this thing. What you want, Ruckus? You want some mac and cheese? Nope. None for you.
Tastes really good.
Yes.
It's delicious. Gordon Ramsay would be proud.
Oof, I don't know about that. Can I help you, sir? Is there something you want from me? Look at him. He's just like, Daddy, are you gonna give me some? Nope. So, don't know what the plan is for today. We basically got here, set up camp, started fire, ate lunch. That took what? When did we get here? No, it took longer than that, I think.
Oh, no, that took about 2 hours.
A couple hours, I think.
To set up the tents, cut down the wood, set up the fire, cook the food, eat the food.
Ruckus is being pitiful. I can't see what I'm shooting. Did you want some mac and cheese, Ruckus? Did you? Yes, yes, yes. Nope, that's a wasp. You just totally tried to eat a wasp. My dog just tried to eat a wasp. I don't think he's very bright. I will say, I've tried camping and filming at the same time a couple times. It's a pain in the butt. Yeah, and this thing too. I do not envy those guys that have their channels that do that all the time. That's some dedication, man. Way to go, buddy. I can't see what I'm filming. Oops. Worst outdoor video ever. So, now that we've eaten, take it upon ourselves to do some really minor camp fun tasks. I'm gonna clean this up, maybe lash it together, maybe make like a cross or something, I don't know. I'm not gonna whittle it, but something to keep us busy since obviously all the important things have been done. We're fed and we're happy.
Except Ruckus.
Except for Ruckus. Ruckus is complaining still.